Welcome back to Mochaeatstv. I'm bringing you a different video on, yes, you see a vehicle. I'm going to attempt to change my engine coils, and I'm going to show you what items you will need. And engine coils are under there with the spark plugs. 10-inch millimeter, 10-inch racket. And I think you need a longer one, but I'm just going to try that. And a flathead screwdriver. Taking this loose. Remove that. Have I ever done this? No, family. I've watched so many videos, so I'm going to attempt to do this myself to save money. So this is my car DIY. So you ask yourself, am I scared? Oh my God, yes, family, I am scared. I've never done this before. So in the video, they said, yeah, that works. So they said to unscrew these, and that's what I am doing. So anybody that knows what they're doing, please make comments below and let me know how I am doing. Also, I want to know, how do you replace these little raunchy looking screws and nuts and bolts? Because they are old, they are originals. Or do you even worry about that? I know I do, because the way they look. So family, I'm going to lift this up. Oh, and it comes exposed. I'm putting that to the side. So, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 coils. And I ordered my parts from, you guessed it, Amazon. So, I pray that they fit, family. So, we're going to just go ahead and take them out of the box. So, biggest day on this box, it says, this is a set, do not separate. So, I'm going to assume that they're meaning when you have 1 or 2 misfires, that's what's going on with me. My engine light came on and I was having misfires, sputtering. I had delay at a stop sign, you name it. Oh my goodness. So we have a engine coil. Oh, that's interesting. Step by step. It's a warranty claim. So I will fill this out. I guess this comes in everything. So, all right, family. So this is what this looks like. One thing they said to do. All right, number 1 says to replace all engine coils at the same time to prevent future misfires from old ignition coils in the vehicle. Ignition coils come from one brand, does not always work well with ignition coils with different brands. So I know that Toyota uses, I think it's Denso and NPK, but I got the ones that say they fit, fam. So next thing, number 2 is wait for the engine to be completely cool. Mine is cold. Number 3 is to apply this dielectric grease on the rubber bottoms of the ignition coils for easy installation. But it is highly recommended, but they are not required for installation. Let's see. I have to go find some of that. Guess what, family? I just saw this little silver packet, and it feels like some type of greasy, I'm hoping, substance in there. Oh, yes it is. Look, family. You see that little on the tip? So thank you Amazon, for us DIYers. So what they say you have to do is to take this plastic piece out, and you slide this in there and just kind of maneuver it out, fam. Alright, so basically what I did was put put it in like this and put my thumb there and pulling it up gently. Okay, family. I also had to order, I did order the connectors as well. I'm not going to do anything with these wires because I don't know what to do with those wires. I know they will probably go in there and make it look better, but we're just going to prayerfully just change the connectors and the coils. So there is a spot in there, fam, where you can take this small flathead, stick it down in there, and release the wire, and it comes straight out. So I'm going to do the rest like that, and hopefully we can get it moving. And once you stick the flathead in there, you push it down and it clicks, and you can pull them out. And look, my white piece is all broken up, and I'm going to remove this part. This is the connector, and I'm going to replace it with the new one. And I'm going to be using the original wires. Look how this broke all up, family. Now I have disconnected my other wires. Now I'm going to put the old wires in here, and let's pray that they go in like they should. Okay. Stick all 4 into their holes. Alright, I hear them snapping. Snapping in place, fam. Okay, this last one didn't. Yep, that looks good. Woo! That looks good, Lord Jesus, that looks good. Okay. Now I'm going to put this piece back in there. Yes, just like that, fam. Woo! Great. Now that's one. Now I'm going to attempt to take out the coil. Okay, I need the other ratchet thing. Alright, got the ratchet. Ooh, go this way. Now see why they use a larger one. I mean a longer one. Because you can get in there really good. Because this is going to take me forever. Once you loosen it, you can just unscrew it off with your hand. And at that point, you're able to pull it right up with your hand. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to measure my new one with this old one. So here is the original, and here is the new one. This one looks a little larger, and this is a Denso product. So we're gonna hope for the best, fam. I came to a problem, fam. This is the original. This is what I ordered. They say it will fit. So I don't know how it would fit, considering this is longer than that. Whew, I wish I could go live to figure out what would be the solution to this problem. All right, family. So let me tell you about this product here. This is through a parts store, Import Direct. Now, when I look at my car, it is made out of the US. This is a Japanese product. Japanese product is the same size as what I have in the car. I can't figure that out. Neither could the auto parts store and some other guy that walked in as well. I don't know anything about this stuff because I don't work on cars. I just thought it was weird. So if you have any idea as to why this would be, comment below, please. I would insert a picture of what I have in here, which is Denso, and the product that I bought offline, which is a United States made product. So I'm extending this so you can see what I'm doing to make it closer. So as you see, I've already taken the screw out of here, and here is my coil. This is the original. So I'm going to replace it with the imports, and as you see, it is the same exact size. So again, here are the products side by side, and you see that they are the same size. All right, family, I am back. I have now changed out all 4 of my coils. Now let's talk about the coils that I ordered off Amazon. They did not work. They were too long, and I would have had to do too many things to get them to work. These worked properly, and these are Japanese products, not the ones from the US, because the US were too long as well. So you will need this dielectric connector grease to grease the coils before you place them in the hole. So make sure you have that. Again, I want comments below. Let me know how I did. Now I'm going to put the cover back on because I am finished, like I said. Screw it down. These are the bolts or nuts that go back on here, and I'm just going to go ahead and tighten them up correctly, and then reconnect my battery. Now reconnecting the battery. So if you like this content of my first car DIY, go ahead and click that subscribe button. There is more to come. I'm not afraid to try different things, especially when I'm told that I can do it. So I will see you in the next video. Peace. I forgot one important thing, family. Now it's time to crank it up and see if everything works. And no light. No light! Yes! See you in the next one. Peace.